Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
Hi guys.
Yeah, it's your favorite couple, Kate and Thelma.
Yeah, bro.
So in today's vlog, we are going to unbox and
unbox our refrigerator
and our washing machine.
Yeah, bro.
So like we took the videos a long time ago. Yeah, maybe last week. Yeah. But tatsina time yekuisa intro because patikatenga taka orders in online, then zvakabva deliver the following day. You stay expectant the following week, so we couldn't like vlog the intro ne zvimwe zvataifana kuita tichi order. So zvinhu zvakabva zvasvika, so we are going to show you video kusvika washing machine nekwe fridge, then toita unboxing. Yeah, so achaita unboxing the washing machine. I think yeah, because I shoot like my videos yeah. So let's get into it.
Yeah, let's do the thing. Thanks. He's adjusting it. Wow, guys, njaone my results when everything is all done. Koje chichiri mukati chindeche pandeche pai. Asi manyo book.
Yes.
Oh. Hisense. Fridge ya moms yamela vini kangoita sedi. Yabo itify. Shawana fridge yangu, guys. Going to be unboxing it this weekend. Hey, I don't know who's going to be on this duty yeku garage film bromo. Okay. Let's go plug up. Guys, this is literally the best feeling ever. Hey. Come give me a kiss, Okanyan, off camera. Hi, boo.
Love you. I'm tired.
Love you too. Can you want a kiss, guys? Yeah, ne? Aba mangwana, it's work. Aba TV, boo. Guys, it's Thursday tomorrow. We still have work.
Oh wow.
Wow. Where you say nika lunch ice cream without stress. I used to like ice cream. Baby, over the young fridge there, I got any ice cream bangantini number. It was as I do massacres. Baby, I got you wanting to get ice cream. I don't know, I loved ice cream very much. I was pregnant.
This is
superb.
Yeah.
Ew. Okay,
happy guys.
So we are started to recommend on would say, okay, trust online shopping. My husband trusted online shopping, guys. I'm saying I was asleep. I was half asleep, he was waking me up, like saying he found this online. I was like, yeah, but okay, I trust you. And it literally like was delivered the following day. Just like that.
Did you want to marry online?
Yeah, ne?
Wow, this is nice.
Ndakutonora, babe. I'm very cold.
That's good.
Chinopfa?
Hey,
Negano. Guys, so you've seen our refrigerator. We did the unboxing with you. This is the end of this video.
Morning YouTube. So it's another day vlog renewal. So ndavenda ubasa. I just had a unboxing a washing machine and stuff. Maybe never, yeah. I mean, no singo sachaita we will see vlog renewal. I mean, like I did basa. Because yeah, time zakandijika guys. Ndaitaka kunonoka. But yeah. Ikati tiende kubasa.
Hi guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today I'm just going to the unboxing of is it. The sides, the back, with soap, the inside with the manual book. It's so pretty. I'm in love and obsessed already. Yeah. So yeah guys, this is it. Front, side, back. The inside, the book, everything, all the pipes. Yeah.